Hey, what the hell happened to Terrell?
Damn, he didn't want Eric.
Damn, he left too. Damn.
Maybe he wants to go reset his Wi-Fi or some shit.
Oh. Wait, let me try this overpressure shit.
Bro, we're cheating now.
Sit that ass down.
There's no niggas just cheating for real.
I'm gonna put this
Wait, can you
overpressure
use
round right
Gunfighter
in
on
Muddy's
thing?
fucking head.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you now, bro. Watch this.
I think they G8'd it though.
The
pros don't use it.
Hardpoint. Capture the objective.
Where is R4?
Oh, I feel slow as fuck.
Oh wait, why did we start it?
Have the hardpoint.
Well, you guys
Someone
aren't.
scream for me so I can see.
Grizzly! Jordan, you fucking bitch. Yep, good trade. Good trade, Frollo.
You're not running Dead Silence?
Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you.
Oh, he's double challenge.
Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you. Fuck you.
No way, you guys are both coming up here. What the
man,
fuck?
man, I was shooting my man. I was shooting you, bro.
Top third.
Hey,
Hardpoint
just because we
Don't
both came up there don't mean
the
shit,
You
nigga.
guys both doing up there.
No
Get
way.
the fuck off of there, Jordan.
Stop shooting. Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you.
Oh, Lambe, what the fuck?
Oh
Hardpoint
I was looking
no.
up. Stairs, P2 stairs.
Rich.
That was weird.
Didn't even notice.
Eric, put your side. Two.
Nigga, I just
Out of ammo,
looked
out of
away.
ammo.
Just fucking looked away from there, my nigga. Watch out, this nigga trying to cut.
Fuck! The timing! There's no way the timing, nigga.
One's big gun, P3, P3.
Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you. Fuck you.
No,
Buddy, fuck you, buddy.
Coming to you, bullet. Oh, fuck. I should have set over your top. My fault.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Good trade.
Yeah, fuck you. I'm out. I don't give a fuck about time. I'm out.
Hardpoint identified.
Oh,
Gosh.
oh, Rich.
I just lagged so crazy, bro.
Alright. Yeah.
Wow, you just left the me, bro?
Oh, good shots. He
What?
looks like you had it like that, nigga.
I wasn't expecting you to sit there.
Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you.
Oh, fuck.
No, way 3. You guys go that way.
fuck,
What the fuck?
Fuck you, nigga.
Holy
Get the
fuck.
fuck out, E. Trash.
One more,
this.
side. He's hilarious, bro.
Graze it back. Rich up top.
Bro, that late ass push.
Oh my gosh.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint located.
You guys are weird as fuck seeing P1 together.
Damn,
What
nigga,
the
oh my
fuck
God,
is that?
Oh, nigga, I didn't even see you there.
Fuck you.
Rich, what the fuck?
Hardpoint locked down.
Good trade.
Jordan's coming big.
No.
Damn, you got ripped.
Just came out spiral.
Don't let me do it.
No. Fucking clunky ass fucking AR. Fuck you.
You're a weird ass nigga, Lambe. What the fuck was that?
No.
Jordan.
Lambe.
Yes, kill that bitch ass nigga. Kill that bitch ass nigga. Fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga. Fuck you.
No.
Watch your
That
tower,
heady
P2.
is
Oh,
low.
damn. Okay, my bad. Never
That
mind.
heady is
Hardpoint
gross,
identified.
nigga. I know you got like that, Jay.
Don't be mad.
And Grizzlies on time.
Hardpoint is active.
Okay.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Oh, this nigga's not dead. Fuck you, Grizzly.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, Rich.
Eric's top, second floor.
Hey, if you kill the phase nigga, shoot that nigga's body.
All right, nigga.
Oh,
Top house,
Three.
top hole.
my bad, money.
The way you read that, E.
I was just looking around, bro. I didn't know you were there.
Weak.
Hostiles
Oh,
have the
shit.
hard point.
Fuck you, money.
Oh, Jordan, you bitch. Oh.
Oh, my bad, E.
Nah, you're good. You're good. I shouldn't have reached out. I should have laid down. I didn't know you were right behind me.
Oh.
Money?
Goodness.
Hard point active.
No.
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
This Pagulas is tweaking me.
Yeah.
Nah, same.
Ah. Watch out top there, or watch top there.
Right there.
There's a guy up
Tower,
there
tower,
somewhere.
tower.
Yeah. I was gonna say I didn't know where Rich went. But...
Wait.
Big gun.
Oh, yeah.
So I did.
Hard point locked down.
Fuck you, Grizzly.
Hard point identified.
And this nigga still riding in third.
Where the fuck is he?
Hostiles have
Oh,
captured the hard point.
Derek, you little bitch.
Hard point is active.
Bro.
Hostiles have the hard point.
Did that nigga just spawn there? Yep, he did.
what the hell are you doing? Fuck you, buddy.
Your tactics aren't working. Find another way.
Take it.
Just please.
Hard point is
Let me
secure.
get
Top still.
Fuck you, BJ.
Fuck you,
Hey,
buddy. No.
Lumber, you
Eric's
weird
back, Eric's
ass.
back. I had a feeling.
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
Push it to your front door.
Behind you.
Hard point is
No,
The
of
best.
course. Eric, you're fucking bitch.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie. You guys are gonna
Buddy,
have to
get
tell
back here,
Sorrel
you
to
bitch.
GA this shit after. P3.
Hostiles have the hard
Come
point.
back here, bitch. Come back here, bitch.
Enemy Hellstorm launch detected.
No. Ooh. A free?
Whoa. Nah, I can't be the only one getting hella packet loss.
Pagulas second.
Hard point locked down.
Dumbass.
Fuck you, man.
No.
Captured the hard point.
I got two, bro. Damn.
Oh my gosh, I'm shooting ass cheeks.
Big door. Gosh, damn, I'm not gonna lie, nigga. You gotta, nah, this shit gotta be GA'd from us. I'm never using that again. I promise.
Use what?
The gunfighter with overpressured, GA'd for sure.
Yeah, I'm straight.
Wait, who was host? It was me.
PJ.
Far away.
Yeah, we probably got a thing teammates, but I mean a host, but
Nah,
yeah.
I just had hella packet loss.
Oh,
Nah,
I
it was
think Rich
me.
said he
Fuck,
did
my
too.
fault.
I was rubber banding.
Making my mad thing.